This is my homework for LCD display with keypad using Arduino. About my program description as this. At the beginning of my Arduino sketch, include the keypad point H or header file using include keypad. This now includes the keypad library making its functions and classes or variables for use in my sketch. If you haven't already installed the keypad library, you can do so using the Arduino Library Manager. Go to Sketch, include the library, Manager library, then search for keypad and install it. Specifically, discard the content, byte, rows, and corners to variables. Then initialize them with the value 4. Case is a two-dimensional array with 4 rows and 4 columns. Each element of the case is of type chair, this chair. The array is initials with specific characters arranged in rows and corners. Row pins is an array of 4 elements, where each element is of type byte. The arrow is initials with the value 10, 9, 8, 7. Byte copies declares an arrow copies of type byte with corner enablement 6, 5, 4, 3 initials copies with the values 6, 5, 4, 3 respectively. The nine internationals, a keypad object named my keypad using the make keymap function to map the case array and specify the row pins, core pins, rows, cores, parameters. For 29 initials, an LCD object named LCD with the I2C address 0x27. 16 corners and 2 rows. About this part, this variable is of type boolean. It's initialized to true, indicating a state where the first name input or operation is expected or has been entered. The first number and the second number, these variables are type string and are initialized as input strings. Without this variable is type float. It's initialized to 0.0, indicating it will store a floating point number. Result is likely intended to store the outcome of a calculation or operation. Operate. This variable is one type chair. Word setup function of this part, including as this LCD init means initialize the LCD. LCD clear means clear by exiting content on the LCD. LCD backlight means turn on the backlight of the LCD. LCD set cursor 0 to 0 means set the cursor to the first row, first corner. LCD print means print original at the correct cursor position. LCD cursor 0, 1 means set the cursor to the second row, first corner. LCD print calculator means print calculator at the correct cursor position. Delay 1000 means delay for 1000 milliseconds. LCD clear means clean the LCD screen. LCD set cursor means set the cursor to the first row, first corner. While loop function as this. Chair new case means this line reads a key press from the keypad connected to my keypad. My keypad should be an instance of a keypad object initialized earning in my code. if sentence. This condition checks if new key is a valid numerical key 0 to 9 and not no key. This no key means no valid key price. If first number state equal to true means if the first number state is true, it means we are correctly building the first number. And the first number equal first number add new key means this appended the priced key to the string first number, effectively building the first number digit by digit. LCD print. This prints the priced key on the LCD display. About else sentence means if first name state is false, it means we are building the second number. Second number equal second number 8 new key means this appends the priced key to the string second number, building the second number digit by digit. LCD print means this prints the priced key on the LCD display. About for this if sentence. The first if statement checks if new key is a valid operator. If first number state is true, it means we are still inputting the first number when an operator key is pressed. Operator equal new keys means stores the operator in the variable operator. First number state equal false means switches the state to false, indication that we will now input the second number. About these LCDs, set cursor 70 means is used to display the operator on the LCD at a specific position, 7 corners of 0 rows. About this if sentence means the second if. This is the second if. The second if statement checks if new case is equal depending on the store operator. It performs the corresponding arithmetic operation between first number and the second number. After calculating result, it sets the cursor position on the LCD to the first corners of the second row. This print answer equal means setting the cursor position on the LCD to the ninth corner 9 of the second row. About this sentence. Print result and means prints the calculated result. First number state equal to means resets the state to input the first number again. About this if sentence. This function is triggered when the key C is pressed on the keypad. LCD clear means cleans the entire content displayed on the LCD. LCD set cursor 00 means set the cursor position to the top left corner of the LCD. First number equal means first number, second number, and these two sentence means clears the straight first number and second number, which hold the entered numeric values. Result equal 0 means resets the result variable to 0. Operator equal means resets the operate variable to input the characters. About word this function, this part include three parts: LCD clean and cursor position, LCD printer printing, and variable resetting. About LCD clear and cursor positioning, LCD clear means cleans the intercontact of the LCD display. LCD set cursor 00, LCD set cursor 01, LCD set cursor 12, 0, LCD set cursor 5, 0. Those lines set the cursor position on the LCD screen. The first parameter is the corner, and the second parameter is the row. About LCD print include this: LCD print 1 first, LCD print second, LCD print OP. These lines print strings at the specified cursor position on the LCD. About variable resetting, first number equal, second number equal result. On these two lines reset variables, first number and the second number to import strings, clearing any previously stores input. About result equal 0 resets the result variable to 0. Operate equal means reset the operate variable to the space character. That's all of the program description. For this part, the left picture is the wiring diagram, and the right picture is the internal circle and pin diagram of the keypad. We can say that the pins of keypad include those pins and corner pins in the picture. And the connection relationship between the Arduino and the keypad is as follows. Row 1 connect 10, row 2 connect 9, row 3 connect 8, row 4 connect 7, C1 connect 6, C2 connect 5, C3 connect 4, C4 connect 3. The program is simulated on the simulation platform. From the simulation results, it can be seen that the program can complete the calculation function of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and clear function. The diagram on the left is the physical connection. And the video on the right is the result of uploading the program into the Arduino IDE. In the video, we can normally perform digital calculations by pressing buttons such as 2, 8, 5 equals 7. Note that when we want to do the calculation again, we need to press the clear key first. Otherwise, the number will appear after the last calculation result. That's all for the this assignment. Please check it and give some suggestions for me. Thank you.